Hey everyone, in this video, let's talk about how you can create an Amazon Flex account in Canada. In order to do so, here we are at flex.amazon.com. And what is Amazon Flex all about? Well, you can start delivering packages for Amazon. Most drivers earn $18 to $25 an hour delivering with Amazon Flex. Amazon Flex is an app where you can use your own vehicle to deliver Amazon packages as a flexible way of earning extra money on your own schedule. So if you are interested in using Amazon Flex, then you can go to flex.amazon.com, and if you click here where it says download the app to get started, then you can see that in order to proceed, you are going to need to download it either for iPhone or Android. Once you have that downloaded, you can log in with your Amazon account and proceed from there. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe. And don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, if you're interested in Cider AI, Cider is an app that just hides here on the side of your browser for Chrome. It's an extension that you can install, and you can gain access to an AI chatbot where you can ask any questions at any time. Not only do you have access to Cider Fusion, but you also get access to ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, and DeepSeek. It's a great way of being able to compare responses. It's a fantastic app. Highly recommend it. If you're interested, check out the link in the description. Click on that. You'd be helping us out as well, and we would certainly appreciate it.